Hey guys, welcome back to Queen's Naturals. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So today your girl is going to be showing you guys how I do my twist out, and you see how defined, well defined these curves are. I love it. So that's actually what this video today is about. And also don't forget, I'm also going to show you how I applied my butter, the self-made butter I made last time. You remember, right? I'm also going to show you guys in this video how I apply that on my hair, because I'm sure most of people must have wanted to see how it looks like when applied on the hair. You remember my last video was about this self-made butter cream for hair growth. As you all know, and I usually say this in my videos, my best protective styles are actually twists, because it just lets my hair breathe freely. It also gives me the opportunity to properly take care of my hair during the week. When you have waves and wigs, it's actually not easy to properly take care of your hair. But with this, I can easily spray my leave-in conditioners. I can easily wet my hair to give it some moisture. It's very manageable when I have my twist on than any other side. So these are actually my go-to protective styles. So I always have my twist on to seal in moisture, to actually prevent the hair from tangling up, and also prevent dryness and hair breakage. So I always have my twist on. So one of the secrets of hair growth is not always just plaiting your hair or always protecting your hair, but it's also to also make sure that the protective styles you are actually having on are not so cruel to your hair. Very simple protective styles. Also, that's also one of the secrets of hair growth.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mash me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mess me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Hold on.
Hello, the people. Thank you so much for watching to this point. So we have come to the end of this video. If you so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye, and see you in my next video.